Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another YouTube video recording tutorial, gaming session, whatever we're going to call it. We're testing out our headset here with the PlayStation 5 Pro. We're plugged directly into the controller here, the PlayStation 5's DualSense controller. And let's mess around, walk around the hub here, and we'll go ahead and try to see how it sounds. We'll import it into iMovie and we'll edit it up and then we'll work with it. Okay, so this is my relatively. Let me tell you a little history. I didn't like Monster Hunter at all for years when it first came out, but I've had this sitting on my PlayStation, and then I went and played Monster Hunter Rise Sunbreak, and I started getting the hang of it, liking it. So now I'm back in the world, going through it for the first time, and this is my current character. Such a great game. But for someone who's used to like normal action games and RPGs, I just felt the heaviness of the weapons when I first started was kind of uh, hard or not getting used to it. But after a while, I realized, okay, so the physics is kind of
We're halfway there.
semi-realistic. So if you have a huge sword or a big hammer, it just takes longer to swing it, which makes sense in the real world. So let's go ahead and run around here a little bit. Go to the top floor. And we'll go to the workshop area. Alright, let's make sure we got all the goods in one of our boxes. So anytime you see one of these boxes, you can go in and manage your stuff. I got a pretty heavy duty loadout because I not that great and I like to have all the potions basically. Alright, so my main weapon here is a hunting horn. And what I want to do is actually, let me show you the hunting horn. Let's go into the practice area. You gotta go to my room and we'll go talk to our little Palico guy here, the housekeeper, and we'll jump into the training area. Alright, so the hunting horn is very unique. It's kind of a hammer with special powers type thing. So the unique thing about it is if you look, anytime I hit on the top right corner, you'll see there's kind of songs. So like, let's do 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I hit my right trigger. So now I'm doing performance, and what that does is that boosts my movement speed, and I'm getting the attack up bonus. So there's songs for health, recovery, powered up, earplugs, extended health recovery, etc., etc. But depending on your actual hammer is what skills you can have, and that gives me instant speed increase without having to take any potions. So, and it's a very unique weapon. So you basic hit, you got double hit, which is a hard, powerful one. You got kind of like a upward motion one, and then you got this thing which is pretty cool, where you spin it, which I love. So yeah, all that stuff, lots of dodging going on with this game. It's kind of a Souls type game, even though it's been around a long time, since PlayStation 2 days. So not really a jump button, but you can jump and hit. You have a claw, or let me find something I can connect to. Where is that? Oh, I know. You gotta go up here. Oops, wrong way. Go the other way. Climb up here. And where's something? Oh, there we go. Got a claw that I can swing with. Whee! All right, and you can also, if you find rocks or anything on the ground, you can aim and shoot things, which is very handy, especially if you're doing barrel bombs and you're just trying to irritate monsters. Speaking of bombs, let's go ahead and set this one off. Can I do it with a rock? There we go. Ready? Ooh. So, yeah, this is basically the training area of Monster Hunter World, IceBorne. Great game. It's on sale. It's been around for a long time, but highly recommended. If you haven't bought it and played it, buy the World IceBorne full pack. Maybe even the deluxe, because it's really cheap these days. And you can slide and jump. So pretty cool. I love this game. But again, when I first had it, I couldn't get over the speed and the slowness of these hits. I was so used to playing action games that were much faster moving. So, and you run, you got stamina, you run out of stamina. There's all kinds of things. Potions down on the bottom left you can do to increase and redo your thing. So yeah, lots and lots to learn, but such a great game. All right, let's go out of here. And to get out of here, you gotta go talk to the cat guy again to get out. Yep. Let's go back to our room. Okay, so this is our room. This is the second upgraded room. Once you get a little bit in. Anytime you see one of these, it's where you basically manage all your things. You can change your equipment, customize, sell equipment, and all that jazz. Mostly you need to manage your equipment is to restock your potion. There's a crafting list here. All these things you can do. The biggest problem with Monster Hunter is it's got the usual craziness of Japanese menuing systems. And if you've lived in Japan and seen any Japanese websites, you'll understand exactly. It's crazy. They just love these archaic, all over the place menuing systems. But once you get used to it, they kind of make sense in a weird kind of way. So let's go out this door here. And we'll have a look at the map real quick once we get out. So you got to remember this thing came out, what, 6 years ago or so?
We're halfway there.
So let's go to the map. So I have world map. You start out down here in Estera and the Ancient Forest, and then you slowly add these other areas, and then you get to the IceBorne expansion once you beat X amount of bosses and you go through the story. And it just is such a great game. You definitely got to get it. It's available on PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. There is no cross-play in this version, in this game. But in the new one, Monster Hunter Wilds, there is cross-play. So you can play with your Xbox friends or your PC friends, PlayStation 5 friends. And also, while you're at it, if I were you, I would buy the Monster Hunter Rise. So yeah, pretty cool game. You should definitely check it out. I don't think I'm going to do tutorials, but I mean, if somebody requested it, maybe I'd start a brand new character and do a little tutorial. But I think it's a little late in the game for this actual version. But maybe the new one or Rise HandBrake could be a potential. But, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below. And we're doing the old festival, so it's around Halloween, so we got a little festival action going. And usually when there's a festival, you have special menus. So let's pay with points. So it's the Autumn Harvest Platter. Let's go ahead and get this one going. And you gotta admit, these Monster Hunter animations are freaking awesome. And all the games do similar things. Okay, so now I got my buffs, and I will be ready to fight, but I think we'll end the video right here by just having a look at my character, Mami-chan, and her mismatched armor that I'm trying to get higher and higher with her hunting horn. So we'll talk to you in the next video. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and all that wonderful jazz. Peace and aloha.